Hi guys, welcome back. This is Ushal, and I hope you keep your all the trades open because we already gave all the signals here, right? So I hope you make huge profit also. What we are posted the last week and yesterday, last 2 days, and right now you can see we are profiting in dollar and gold and euro USD. You can see here. This is a dollar. I hope you close in a profit, but still I have a open my trade here and it's running profit. So let's see, guys, where is market open here? So we will close our trade here, right? And next one, in a gold, we are hit our SL here. So still we have to see next level, and let's see today. Sorry, tomorrow. Ethereum, Ethereum, we are in profit right now. Ethereum and Euro BTC just keep track today because it's not a big move, like I think in the night. So make sure you have to make trail your SL all the times when you book your profit. So we have to be trail our SL, right? So if we were trade SL too, we can achieve a little bit more profit, right? So make sure make your own strategies, right? So if you make your own strategies, then you can make a good profit, right? And otherwise if you want any other guys, so you can follow our signals also because we make very nice profit here and everything's right. Or sometime it's not be a like yeah, I have a good experiences. No, everyone have a good experience. If you have a good experience, good techniques, and then you can learn from your mistakes also, right? So this is the facts here. And of course next scenarios here, I will show you something here. It's a bigger things. And platinum, platinum we hit it our all the target, but I have a still open my trade here. I hope you also keep your trade open and put your SL and trail your SL all the time. So then I think this is a way we can book a little bit more profit, right? I hope you keep your positions open here. And oil also, we keep your positions open, but we have a trail our stop loss like here and here because when we are in profit first time in profit, so you have to be take profit all the times from the market. Don't give your loss, don't give your capitals for the market. So this is a good important things. Trail your SL all the times and make it the good profit, right? This is the we can change something is from the market, right? I hope everyone enjoy. I hope it's not be much more, and that's good. Hmm. Okay, Nifty 50 I will make for the next video for you. Nifty 50, what is the next scenarios? What is the next steps where we can execute our trade? Nifty and Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? If you have a good like, yeah, we can achieve something is good or better than for the other person. Like, what can achieve, right? So I hope you keep yourself up and make it the good setup for your trade and good setup for your techniques, because sometime not we work, sometime it's working, right? So it is important, we have to know this is trading here, and we can change the trading strategies and trading. It is a very important things, right? Sometimes strategy is working, sometimes not working. So this is actually we have to follow, we have to follow the right movement, we have to follow the right scenarios, right? But sometime not we follow. If you have a continuously, if you work on a strategies, I think, I hope you make a good profit, right? If you are not, maybe